You know that moment when your game plays great, but the menus look like a system error? That is the worst. This casual UI pack turns that around before lunch. The Pro part is not just a label. You get a polished, coherent, casual style across the key screens, so your buttons, panels, and dialogues finally feel like one deliberate design language instead of a Frankenstein pile. The included PSD files mean you are not locked into the supplied colors. Open the source, tweak the palette, and match your game's identity without redrawing every pixel. 9 buyers have already left it a 4.78 average. For a deep-cut UI asset, that kind of early approval is a really good sign. It is a design kit, not a UI auto layout framework. Pair it with your favorite layout system, and you will be fine. $900 is real money, but a single custom UI kit from a freelancer can run 10 times that. Grab it if you want your front end to look like a shipped product. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Online Pool is a beast because physics is just the warm-up. You also need netcode, turn order, queue control, and rematch flow. This completed game hands you the whole table. You get a finished 8-ball multiplayer project so you can play it, read it, and learn how a production-style billiards game is actually wired together. Because it is a complete game rather than a sample, the UI, gameplay loop, and networking are all in one package. That is the difference between starting at 0 and starting mid-game. 4 buyers rated a perfect 5, which is a small crowd but a very happy one. You are inheriting someone else's architecture, so give yourself time to learn the project's patterns before you rewrite anything. At $794.50, you skip months of multiplayer prototyping. For that time-saved ROI, it is a serious shortcut. Snake games look simple, but online Snake is a completely different animal. Lag can make every turn feel like a lie. This asset is built to tame that. Photon Fusion 2 is already integrated, so you get a real-time multiplayer foundation without rolling your own server logic. That saves hours of gray hair. The whole package is framed around a war-style snake match, so rooms, scoring, and online flow are ready to tweak instead of build. 3 reviews put it at a 4 out of 5, and the buyers are clearly playing with it. Not a huge sample, but proof it works. Fusion 2 has its own learning curve, so read the integration notes and test on a couple of platforms before you promise a beta date. At $499.50, if one client project uses this as its online base, you have paid it off 100 times over. Casting your dark fantasy game is hard when every character model seems to come from a different universe. This pack solves that with matching male and female heroes. You get both a male and a female character in a cohesive style, so your player character, NPCs, or companions can share the same design DNA. The dark fantasy aesthetic is already there, so you can drop them into a moody scene and spend your time on lighting and gameplay, not material cleanup. 2 buyers give it a perfect 5-star score. It's a tiny vote, but it is unanimous. With only a couple of reviews, you will want to inspect the rigs and polygon flow in the preview images before committing your whole cast. $300 for 2 on-theme characters works out to $150 per model, which is a fair deal for that level of visual consistency. Every ambitious multiplayer project eventually hits the server wall. If you want to run your own backend, you need a framework that does not treat you like a beginner. Atavism X.12 in on-premises mode gives you control over hosting and data. which matters when you need custom rules or compliance-friendly server setups. This is the kind of tool that helps you prototype the full server-client experience locally before you pay for cloud infrastructure. The catch is real. One review, and it is a 1-star rating. That is not a warm welcome, so treat this as a trial project. That single low rating means you should spin up the demo and verify performance on your own hardware before trusting it with your live game. At $249.50, it is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, and it is a legitimate sandbox for MMO-sized ideas. Filling a forest with animals is a classic time sink. You end up buying separate packs, fighting scale differences, and praying the animations match. This set changes that. Boars, bears, deer, moose, foxes, raccoons, rabbits, wolves, tigers, and cougars are all here, with more than 1,000 animations across the collection. Each animal has multiple skins and shape variations, plus fur cards and a poly art version, so you can tune the look for realism or performance. It is brand new, with 0 ratings, so you are an early explorer. That can be scary, but it also means you get in before the crowd. Riding these animals needs Horse Animset Pro, and advanced behavior works best with Animal Controller. Check those requirements before you buy. At $249.50, you are paying a tiny slice per animal, and with 1,000 animations, it is a huge time saver. Some tools are one-trick ponies. Others are reliable workhorses you use every single day. This ultimate bundle from Kronnect leans hard into that second category. Bundling multiple Kronnect tools together means the modules are made to live in the same workflow, so you spend less time translating data between different assets. The shared publisher style also means the interface and settings feel familiar across the suite, which is a quiet gift when you are under a deadline. 4 reviews give it a perfect 5-star average. That is a tiny sample, but for a tool bundle, it still shows strong early love. Since it is a bundle, double-check the included module list so you do not buy tools you already own. At $225, this is a treat-yourself kind of buy. You deserve a shortcut that makes every future project a little faster. Zombies are everywhere, but a zombie pack that actually covers a whole project is rare. You usually end up with a few good models and a lot of missing pieces. This complete zombies bundle gives you a ready-made horde in one drop, so you can populate a level without hopping between 5 different asset pages. Because the content is curated as a bundle, the visual style stays consistent across all the undead, which makes your crowd shots look intentional. One buyer leaves a perfect 5-star review. It is a one-person approval, but it is a strong one. With only 1 review, open the preview images and inspect the model quality and animations before you fill an entire horde. At $187.50, a full zombie package at half price is more than fair. Think of the weeks you will save hunting for spare parts. Sci-fi stories live and die by their characters. If every soldier looks like they came from a different game, the world falls apart. This pack solves that in one import. Volume 2 in the series gives you a wide roster of sci-fi characters, so you can cast enemies, allies, and crowds from one cohesive collection. The Mega Pack scale means you can fill scenes fast and replace placeholder capsules with final characters in a single session. 30 buyers give it a 4.73, so this is not a lucky one-off. That is community confidence. A Mega Pack can be a lot to manage, so set up your folders and naming rules before you import everything. At $175, a freelancer charges 10 times that for a single custom character. For a whole roster, this one is a steal. Sim and action games always need believable hardware, and helicopters are just hard. This collection gives you a serious amount of rotorcraft without weeks of modeling. You get the CH-53E Super Stallion and MH-53E Sea Dragon in multiple liveries, including US Marines and JMSDF, all modeled to real-world scale. The textures are ready for both spec gloss and metalness roughness pipelines, so you can plug them into your render setup and keep your material workflow consistent. 0 ratings so far, so this is a new arrival and a bit of a gamble, but the model variety is immediately visible. The total poly count is high because there are multiple detailed models, so use LODs and frustum culling to keep your scene friendly. At $164.50, you are getting a low cost per helicopter. That is a cheap way to put heavy lift birds in your game. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.